let's check out Bobbie Goods Coloring and Drawing. If you actually check the side of this book, it has like a cover over each of these. It's a really well-made book. Let's check the back. Have a hibernation day with Bobbie Goods Coloring and Drawing. Draw and color the adorable winter wonder of Bobbie Goods, perfect for beginning artists of all ages, bursting with human sweetness and imagination. I won't read the whole thing, but kind of sets you up to understand the vibes of this book. So there is a bonus coloring book in this one. If you open it, it divides the two, which I kept wondering, why can't I figure out which side is which? Because it's got the covers here. So both sides have the covers. Of course, you're going to get premium quality paper, as always. This is the drawing instruction side, and this one is the coloring book side. So let's go through the coloring book first. One thing to note is this is portrait, and the regular coloring books by Bobbie Goods is landscape. So it seems to be the same size, about the Bobbie Goods coloring book is a little bit taller. But it's just something to be aware of. If you're used to coloring landscape, this is the portrait view. Now here's the first design. I would say the paper feels just a tiny smidge thinner. And if this video helps you in some way, please subscribe or give it a thumbs up. The back of this is little stationery. And here's another design. Hot cocoa. These look really familiar. Another stationery. Christmas tree. More adorable stationery. This one looks really familiar. More stationery. Ooh, this is sweet. Oh, this looks like a sewing shop of some sort, like they're making items. Snow cones. Stationery. I think that's it. So there's all the coloring pages. We'll go to the next side. And here's the drawing portion. So in this book, you have the foods and materials, drawing techniques, characters, hot cocoa cafe, the perfect tree, snow cone stand. So everything on the right side, you are learning how to illustrate. Instructions and tools. The drawing instructions for this flip through will not be displayed to protect the artist. If you want to check out this portion of the book, I do have a little link that I'll put in the video description. So Bobbie Goods was created by Bobbie Gavella. Then it talks about the illustrator. Well, there is your look at this sweet book. I think this is best suited for fans of Bobbie Goods. If you're an avid fan and you want some extra coloring pages, but if you already know how to draw, this is a very simplified book, just like the previous drawing book for Bobbie Goods. But if you're trying to learn some simple designs, this is a really sweet book. And I do have a playlist dedicated to premium coloring books that I will leave at the end of this video. Thanks for watching.